Here are the top 10 best places in America to watch fireworks on New Year's Eve. Get ready to watch the sky light up in lights of pure magic. Get your popcorns and hold on to your seats, because I'm sure it will be a blast. 10. Nashville, Tennessee. Broadway Nashville, the Music City, is undeniably known how to throw a party. Enjoy a music-filled celebration on Broadway with a lot of bars to choose from. Finish the year by a spectacular fireworks display over the Cumberland River. 9. Delaware Philadelphia, River Fireworks Display. Philadelphia's historic waterfront comes alive on New Year's Eve. Enjoy the waterfront-style live music, food, and drinks, followed by a spectacular fireworks display over the Delaware River. 8. Chicago, Illinois, a colorful new year. Celebrate the new year in the Windy City with fireworks over Lake Michigan. Enjoy the festivities, explore the city's vibrant neighborhoods, such as River North and the Gold Coast, or indulge in world-class dining and shopping along the Magnificent Mile. Navy Pier offers stunning views of the city skyline and the fireworks show. 7. Las Vegas, Nevada. The Las Vegas Strip transforms into a magical wonderland on New Year's Eve. From rooftop parties with panoramic city views to elegant dinners and exclusive nightclub access, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Multiple hotels and casinos compete to put on the most spectacular fireworks show, creating a breathtaking display of light and sound. 6. Dallas, Texas. The Dallas skyline is illuminated with fireworks, creating a stunning backdrop for a memorable New Year's Eve celebration. Enjoy the festive atmosphere and live music, followed by a dazzling fireworks show. 5. Orlando, Florida. Florida a ring in the new year at one of the world's most magical places. Walt Disney World and Universal Orlando Resort offer special New Year's Eve celebrations, including fireworks shows, parades, and character meet and greets specially designed for world-class tourism. Four, Miami, Florida. Celebrate New Year's Eve on South Beach, where the warm weather and vibrant atmosphere create the perfect setting for a festive night. Watch the fireworks explode over the ocean, creating a stunning visual spectacle. As the clock strikes midnight, join the crowd in a countdown to the new year, filled with music, dancing, and champagne toasts. 3. San Francisco, California. Experience the fireworks over the San Francisco Bay with the iconic Golden Gate Bridge and the city skyline as a backdrop. Offer a stunning and picturesque view. As the colorful explosions light up the night sky, you can enjoy live music, street performers, and delicious food to share with your loved ones. It's a truly magical way to ring in the new year. 2. Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles offers various options for a spectacular New Year's Eve celebration. You can catch fireworks displays at Universal Studios Hollywood, Marina del Rey, or in various neighborhoods around the city. Whether you prefer a family-friendly celebration or a high-energy party, Los Angeles has something for everyone. As the city lights up with fireworks, you can enjoy live music, dancing, and delicious food. 1. New York City. Experience the iconic Times Square ball drop, followed by a dazzling fireworks display. As the ball descends, the crowd erupts in cheers and the city is illuminated with colorful lights. It's a magical moment that captures the spirit of the new year. Millions gather to witness this world-famous event, making it a truly unforgettable experience.